Here we are doing SOP 3 of LibreOffice. In that we'll learn how to create a mark list. Now in the mark list, what should it display? It should display field as name of the student, then marks, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, and then one total column and percentage column. Below each subject, find out the lowest mark and highest mark. So now we have to find out below each subject the lowest mark and the highest mark, and enter minimum 10 records. Declare the first 3 ranker as student and create a chart based on the above data. So it's very simple. Here we need to do the data entry. Here then we have to apply the formulas. So now this is the outcome, what you will get. You have to go to for the new file new as a spreadsheet. Already the new spreadsheet has been open over here. Now I'll start our work. So first we have to create the field name as name. Name, and then the other is maths, physics, chemistry, biology, total percentage. Math, then physics, chemistry, biology, total percentage, and put any name: Abbas, Ali, Yasin, Ram, Rahim, John, Rahul, Akash, then Safa, Ruksar, and put the marks: 80, 60, 75, 35, 45, 62, 88, 97, 36, 42. Here also the same: 77, 36, 69, 85, 92, 96, 66, 36, 78, 85. Here also the same: 55, 45, 65, 72, 85, 96, 38, 48, 52, 79, 95, 85, 86, 88, 49, 58, 62, 69, 72, 38. Now how to take the total? It's very simple. Is equal to sum bracket open 80, that is cell B2 colon, what is my last cell, that is E2, bracket close, enter. So the total has come of Abbas. Drag it, automatically everyone total will come. Now same way, remove the percentage. Is equal to 307 is my total, divided by 400 into 100. So the percentage has come. Drag it. If you don't want decimal, delete decimal. Now this was the percentage. Delete decimal. Now what is the next part of the question says? Find out the total and percentage. So this we have done till here. We have removed the total and we have removed the percentage. Now below each subject, find out the lowest mark and the highest mark. This is also very simple. You have to apply the formula. lowest mark and the highest mark. Lowest highest. So what is the formula? Is equal to min bracket open, so starting from start marks ending with end marks, B2 colon B11 bracket close, enter. So the lowest in this column is 35. You can see 80, 40, 60, 75, 35, 45, 35 is the lowest. Same way, if I wanted to take highest, is equal to, instead of min, I have to take what? Max. Same cell I need to select, B2 colon 11 bracket close, enter. So highest is 97. So in this way you can take highest and lowest of each and every student by this way. So lowest mark and the highest mark, we got it. Now what we need to find out, to find the, we'll see the question below. Subject, find out the lowest and the highest mark. That we have done it. We have entered minimum 10 records. That also we have done it. Declare the first 3 ranker. Now we have to declare first 3 ranker. This is also very simple formula. From percentage, we can declare as a first 3 ranker. Now how to declare first 3 ranker? It's very simple. Is equal to LARGE large bracket open, select the cell G2 colon the last cell bracket close, don't close the bracket, comma the first ranker, now close the bracket, enter. So the first ranker is 78%. You can see in the complete cell 78. Same way, this is the first ranker. Similarly, if I wanted to take second ranker and third, I have to go to same formula, is equal to large bracket open, cell colon end cell, that is here, bracket, comma second ranker, so 2, enter. So I got the second ranker. Similarly, if I want third ranker, same formula, is equal to large bracket open, first cell range 2, last cell, comma 3 bracket close, enter. Sorry, spelling of large is wrong. Yeah. If I wanted to remove the decimal, I can remove also. So this is the first ranker, second ranker and the third ranker. So we got we met this question criteria also. Declare first 3 ranker student. Now create a chart based on the above data. Now how to create a chart? To create a chart, first we need to select here and then go to table, click on insert menu, insert menu, go into the chart option. So here the basic chart will be created. So here, in this way we have completed our experiment. Now we'll see our solution, whether we had met all the criteria. We have opened the Office Libre Calc and we have typed field name as name, maths, physics, chemistry, total, percentage. Then we have entered 10 records in it. Now to calculate table total, we had click inside the cell where the total has to be calculated. We had used the formula sum A2 colon. Now wherever is my stuff is there, here in my question, it was in B2 colon B11. So here I will use B2 colon B11. So here was my formula, so I had put my formula here. Now click inside the cell where the percentage has to be calculated, E2 colon whichever way you use. Here my G2 was there. I can use divide by 100 into 100. Both the ways is fine. And then I have to drag the formula. Then I have to enter minimum 10 records to calculate the result. That also I have done it. Then I have to find out the lowest marks. I had used the mean formula A2 colon A11. Here my B2 colon B11 was there. So I have used B2 colon B11. Everywhere B2 colon B11. So I have calculated the highest marks and the lowest marks also. Then the other thing, okay, that I need to do the first three rankers. Here my was G2 colon G11. So I have used here G2 colon G11 for first ranker first, and for second ranker second, and for third ranker third. So here I had fulfilled all the criteria of the question of the first three rankers by applying the formula. Formula is very important. And then finally I have to put the chart. I had to go to insert menu, click on chart, a window will appear, then I have to select the basic chart tab. Automatically the chart will be shown. So here we have completed our experiment. It was very simple. Still, if you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you.